Hey, Shea.
Hey, how you doing?
This is the house, huh?
This is the house.
I mean, it looks to be in not terrible shape, although I do see a hole in the roof there in that corner. But, you know, it's only a small hole.
There's only a small hole, and there is a roof.
It's cute. The siding looks good. The fascia's in mostly good shape. I like it. How big is it?
So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, 1,200 square feet. It's priced at $25,000, but honestly, I think it's worth it. The block is gorgeous. You got a nice tree-lined street, and the comps support us being able to list it at least $100 per square foot.
Nice.
Okay, so we could maybe list it for 110.
All right, sweet. I don't like this red door.
We know how you feel about red. With this living room, though, there's a tripping hazard due to
Or several.
the waves of the water damage, and there's a moonroof.
A moonroof.
Okay.
I don't like that, but we've definitely seen worse.
Maybe not the red wall. I know Keith,
A bit.
how he feels about red walls. Okay, but you guys are gonna love this kitchen.
I'm looking, the kitchen looks to be pretty big, which is nice.
This kitchen is actually massive for a home of this size. Okay, let's go check out this bathroom.
Pretty
Not
standard
bad.
Detroit-looking bathroom.
I actually love the floors. Surprise, surprise, but these are in really good shape. I don't see any big cracks or anything. I like the floor a lot. It's really cute.
Okay, so let's check out this bedroom.
Small little bedroom.
Yeah, it's cute.
Nice and bright.
Yeah, is that a mouse? No.
Oh, okay.
No, there's not. It's carpet padding.
Oh,
Chill
okay,
out.
we're good. It's all good.
It's
Nothing
just
to see
carpet
here.
padding. More pink.
Pink.
You know,
Girl.
my favorite color.
Oh, some little girl had like the cutest little room up
She
here.
did. Look at this chandelier.
The floors are in
Nice
great shape too.
closet.
Other than new windows, this is really minimal work up here. This is actually really, really great.
I think a lot of this subfloor is fine.
You know, I actually see that most of the studs are wet, but they're
Not rotted.
no. I almost get the feeling that the roof hole is kind of new. It
Yeah.
hasn't been doing this for like decades.
Has this not dried out yet?
No.
So every time we think that we've got a good one and things are going well, you put a hammer in a wall and suddenly it all collapses around you.
Man, there's so much water damage still. I would love to be able to salvage the giant picture window and the cove ceilings. So we're gonna hire a local crew to see if the wall can be saved while they're working on the roof. Always turns into a bigger project. Literally always. Overall, the house has a lot of charm, and I want to try to preserve as much of that as possible. Oh, yes. Okay, how do we keep the wallpaper?
We don't. Do you see these nails that are everywhere?
The wallpaper is crying out for help, and it really has pulled at my heartstrings. It is really beautiful wallpaper. It is very stylized, very 50s. It is extremely on point for this particular house. You know what?
I know what you were gonna say.
One thing we agree on is how we're going to take full advantage of that giant kitchen. Step one is to eliminate all that wasted space. So we're gonna close off the door in the back corner and move the stove to the new wall and surround it with new uppers and lowers, and everything will be designed with a modern 50s flair. We're gonna beautify the home with muted earth tones such as browns, greens, and tans, fill in the space with vintage wood furniture and retro geometric wall accents with soft suede and velvet fabrics throughout, and bring the 50s roaring back to life here in Detroit. We've got the roof fixed at the 50s house, so we can jump in and get all the water damage fixed in the living room.
Carlos was saying that there's a little bit more damage than we thought.
How much more?
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Why is the wall missing?
Again?
Oh, man.
Again?
As our business is growing, we can do more houses at a time. It's definitely way too much going on for just the two of us, so we've got to hire more crew helping us.
So the people that we hired for the framing job to replace this massive window hole beat us to the job site today.
And they figured that the rot from the hole in the roof on that wall was not salvageable, so they just took the whole thing down. Oh, is that the tile?
Yep.
Oh, fun. Do you want to go like this or like this? Or do you...
I was gonna do.
Yeah.
I want some movement with it. I'll bring a few.
I think it's chicer if it doesn't move, but that's
I
just me.
disagree. You can do that.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. What? So modern. Ooh, I love this tile. It's like safe, but fun. And I like that. We want the hardscape of the house to still feel modern and user-friendly and, you know, sellable.
Hey, Shea.
Hola, how are you?
Welcome to the 50s house.
How's things going?
So we had to redo the cove in here. We can easily replicate a small amount of cove with some metal mesh and some drywall mud.
We didn't have, you know, money for a real plaster worker.
What is Keith, chopped liver? I know how Keith loves coves, and he loves to pay homage to the original character of the home, which is pretty fun and exciting. I can't wait to see the finished product.
Every time you get busy, your phone rings.
Hello?
So as much as I wanted to preserve that beautiful 1950s wallpaper, it really would have cost too much money and taken too much time to restore properly. But I have another very fun idea that'll bring in some of that mid-century vibe and some texture elements as well.
Is this your feature wall?
Yeah.
Doing velvet?
Yeah. I love the tile in the bathroom. It turned out really, really beautiful. That blue on blue, so I'm playing with that a little bit. 2 colors of velvet, this really deep navy.
Oh, these here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So there'll be a 2-tone like velvet. So there'll be these pieces that are all strippy and it'll look very mid-century overlapping each other on the wall. You like it.
This home is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,200 square feet. The guys purchased this home at $25,000. Their renovation budget is $75,000, and we're gonna list it at $110,000.
This house definitely had seen better days when we come along. The front wall fell off, but otherwise it was fine. And now it's actually a beautiful, light, airy, very mid-century house that shocks me every time I walk in on how much space there really is. It just feels right.
I love colors. I love this.
Is this velvet? Ooh, sitting down. Okay, yeah.
Velvet, I did velvet everywhere I could.
I'm loving this art piece behind you too.
This is beautiful. I love things that are different, and this is different.
Definitely loving the 50s vibes.
You got it, it is.
Okay.
There used to be a door here, so what the guys did was close off the door to make the kitchen more functional, adding more counter space and cabinetry.
Look at this tile. This is retro, man.
It is, so this is the one thing they were able to save from this home. That's pretty cool.
Loving these pastels. It has that vibe of the classic pink Detroit bathroom without the ugliness.
So check out bedroom number 1. It's currently an office.
I work from home, so this is a really important thing for me to see visually.
Bright, airy. I like the colors. I like this vintage chair.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are topping this.
Yes.
Thank you.
So this is the main bedroom.
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. It's beautiful.
Got a built-in little desk. I love this. Look at this.
And the headboard.
Keith made the
Very
headboard.
soft.
Yeah, it's very
Oh,
fluffy.
you make a lot of stuff, so I'm not even surprised. I love what you have done with this house. And to see you guys revitalizing our area, it's amazing.
Thank you, thank you. It's always kind of scary throwing an open house. I always have that little fear in the back of my head, like, what if nobody shows up? And this is kind of embarrassing, but lots of people came today, and there's a chance we could be under contract very soon.
I know you like it.
We've got great news. We got a full price offer on the 50s house, and there was so much interest in the home that Shea is now wanting us to move the open house for the chunky house up a week.